Hi, so today we're going to be moving on to lesson two. We are on DR Core. So this lesson two, Road to Success. So today we're going to be starting with the initials and the finals. So we have z, z, s, z, s, s, g, ch, sh, r, g, ch, sh. Again. So z, z, 是 z, 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 s, 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 g, g, ch, sh, r, g, ch, sh. So these two, they are kind of similar. This is g, this is g, this is chi, this is chi, shi, shi. So these ones at the bottom, they're a bit lighter than the ones on the top. So you just have to be careful about that. And then here we have R, R, ang, eng, ong, I, sorry, ia, ie, yao, yo, yen, yang, yin, yong, yuan, yuan, yue, yun, yun. So again, R, R, ang, eng, ong, ia, ye, yao, yo, yen, yang, yin, yong, wang, wen, yue, yue, yun, yun. This is yuan, yuan, yun. Okay, so this will be the finals, and then you also have to practice a lot on these words. And then here we have z, ao, zao, si, ang, ceng, si, an, san, zhi, ong, zhong, chi, ang, chang, shi, an, shen, er, e,日, 鸡、有、酒、吃、约、缺、西、夜、谢. So that'll be here. You have to be practicing a lot, like reading. And then here we have the new words. 早上, 早上, which is morning. 身体, health. 怎么样? 很谢谢老师，这是叫法国人，欢迎。So you have to play around with these words to make sure you can construct some simple sentences using the words from lesson one and the words that we have here on lesson two, and then try and make some sentences. And then moving to the dialogue. 早上好，早上好，你身体怎么样？很好，谢谢。王老师，这是欧文。您好，我叫欧文，是法国人。你好，欢迎你，谢谢。 Okay, let me read one more time and then you read with me. I'll try read very, very slowly. 早上好，早上好，你身体怎么样？很好，谢谢。王老师，这是欧文。您好，我叫欧文，是法国人。你好，欢迎你，谢谢。So this will be the dialogue. And then we also have some listening to do, listening exercises. You can, like the audio will be at the back of, at the end of here. That's the audio of everything on here. So you can listen and then try to see, is it an or ang? Is it yuan or yun? So that's the part of the listening part, and then you can do it as your homework. And then I'll send the homework in the group chat and also the link for this group. I think that's it for lesson 2. Thanks.